Hey guys, Arexo here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the Philippine Diecast Expo X National Swap Meet 2025, happening from November 14 to 15 at the SMX Convention Center. I'll be taking you around to show what's inside, what's for sale, and everything happening at this massive collector event. To get in, I grabbed an admission ticket for 350 pesos. And right at the entrance, you're greeted by this stunning Ford Mustang. I had to stop for a moment just to appreciate how clean and elegant it looks. The first shop I visited was the one right beside the entrance, stocked with Hotwheels and all sorts of car collectibles. Now, full disclaimer, I may not know every brand or every variant, so feel free to correct me nicely in the comments. I'll do my best to show you everything I can, and I hope you enjoy tagging along. Moving on, I dropped by Legendary Beast Studios, showcasing their incredible Justice League statues. Massive, detailed, and absolutely eye-catching. Right next door is Neohobs. Some of you may already know them, but for those who don't, they sell anime figures, Gunpla, and third-party model kits. I've actually transacted with them before for pre-orders, and they're a shop I personally trust. So if you're looking for pre-orders, you might want to check them out. They've got tons of Dragon Ball figures, and I've already got my eye on this Trunks figure. But I'll keep looking around since it's still early in the event. They also have One Piece, a few spicy anime figures, and a full section dedicated to model kits, including the latest releases and even some Moshow kits. On the next side, more kits. It's rare to see a Dragon Momoko launcher strike nowadays. And this Tengu, I've been searching for this for ages, and it's just priced at around 2,450 if I remember correctly. They also have Demon Slayer, Naruto, Pokemon, Bleach, and Slam Dunk figures on display. At the center area of the event, you'll find tables filled with various sellers, so I checked out some of the items they had for sale as well. Lots of good finds everywhere. Back at the booths, I spotted Nanairo 7, another shop selling Gunpla. I was surprised to see they had the Gundam Sirius in stock for 2,350 pesos. They've also got a bunch of P-Bandai kits. Nearby, more Hotwheels. Another Gunpla seller here is the FattyToys. It has a wide range of kits from HGs to hard to find MGs. I'm not gonna lie, this MG Shin Musha and the MG Sazabi Verka were really tempting. They also have various programs and stage activities here to entertain the crowd. Next, I found Segunda Mano Toys, a booth full of vintage, retro, and second-hand toys. A nostalgic blast from the past. Kids Toy Deck is also here, featuring art toys like Quiccs, Tech 63, Voltes 5, Bearbricks, anime figures, and DC statues. Then there's Otomaton Toys, packed with anime figures, Gundam fixed figurations, mecha kits, Transformers, and more Gunpla. I came across a booth selling framed scale model cars that are ready to hang as a wall decor. I forgot to ask for the shop's name, but the idea is super cool. There's also a booth featuring the Combatron art toy. I really like the design. It feels like a mix between Power Rangers and Mega Man. In another section, there's a sports car display. I'm not sure about the model, so if you recognize it, let me know in the comments. More Hot Wheels over at Looking for Toys. Plus booths from Shop for Fun, Tomica, PopRace, and of course, another massive Hot Wheels section. There are plenty more stalls selling art toys, anime figures, and collectibles. Hobbiestock Collectibles is also here with Funko Pops and more diecast cars. And I absolutely love the MiniGT booth. There's even a booth selling blind boxes for 1,500 pesos. And I saw someone try it, but I'm not sure if he just got a shirt and 2 Hot Wheels. What do you think? Is it worth it? And now, let me show you the collections displayed by various collectors. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for joining me at the Philippine Diecast Expo X National Swap Meet 2025. If you enjoyed the tour, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more toy hunts, Gunpla videos, and collector events. Let me know which booth or item was your favorite. I'm curious what caught your eye. Once again, this is Arexu, and I'll see you on the next one.